This is a waterproof gas bandage protector. Adult short arm, which means it's just a forearm as opposed to the long one, which is the whole arm. Baths and showers, bad weather, easy and durable. Stick your hand in, pull it up, completely to cover cast or bandage. Here the other model is just hand, long arm, short leg, teenage foot. This is what it looks like. Got a little elastic, got a little hand in it. I just had a pin put in my finger. You have to be real careful. This goes in first. No pain. Put the whole hand in. Okay, hands in. You can see right here. It makes a nice seal. So you don't want to leave that on too long because that's a tight seal, but it doesn't feel bad in terms of like a tourniquet or anything. Let's see what happens when I get it wet. All right, dry my arm off up here. Pull it off. Put my fingers together so I don't smash my surgery finger. Completely dry. Works great. I have used this about 4 times already. Works perfectly.